Wow, just seen this huge goanna shoot up this tree. It's on the ground here. There he goes. Do I have him in shot? Oh, I can't see him. There he is. Huge. Well, there you go, they climb trees. Of course they do. Hey? Super fast, shot up there in very quickly. Quick smart. Oh, you're beautiful, goanna. Yes, you are. My dog spotted him first and he shot up the tree. Gorgeous. Very healthy. Wonder how long. A meter long head to tail, I'd say. My head is tilted right back, so that's why I sound a bit funny. Oh, I wonder if there's any more. I think they pretty much travel around solo, but I might be wrong. Hey, yeah, we're looking at you. You're beautiful. Look at that face. Black and white markings on his face. Fair bit of white. Wow. I don't think he's going to go up any further. Yeah, he's up pretty high. I've zoomed all the way out. So he is, I can't see where I'm pointing, but judging by the branches, it's very bright with the sun in my eyes. Yeah, he's about there. He's climbed all the way up there, super quick. All right, mate, we'll leave you be. Gorgeous. I love goannas. I love them. There's a wallaby outside. I'm trying to be really quiet. I saw him out the back. So cute. It's pretty big. So beautiful, the markings on its face. I've never seen ones like this, not close up. It's got a beautiful stripe down the front of its face and white stripes on the sides. Look at this little guy, he's so cute. He heard me. I put my camo t-shirt on. Yeah, I feel like I should perhaps have my gaiters on. One of my two kinds of, sorry boy, snake gaiters. Because the sun is out, hence the pins are out. My boy can hear many things. I think we'll see some more goannas. I have a feeling I'll see another one. Or a snake. I'll be right. I'll just keep my eyes peeled. It is difficult though with all this stuff. You know, tigers, red-bellied black snakes, they'll get out of the way for you. A tiger snake will sit there until the last minute. You know, you could even step on them. I have had to jump over them whilst running, seeing them last minute. They don't move and they will attack. Anyway, I'm sure I'll be fine. Yeah, beautiful out here. Just beautiful. Exploring. That's what it's all about. Love it. My favourites, I love them as much as sunflowers, if not more. Now these have not bloomed yet. I've noticed lots of bees love pollinating them, and rainbow lorikeets love to eat from them. I love them. So grateful to be out here. This is where I am. No one else around, far and wide. Only me and my boy and all the creatures and all the nature and all the forest and all the birds and the breeze and the sun. And all the peace. Can't forget that one. Beautiful, beautiful tree. Beauty everywhere. Beauty abundant. Beauty abound. Oh, look at this guy. Wow. Doesn't even look real. Hashtag, is this real life? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Wow, this tree has stopped me in my tracks. It is huge. It's really got presence. They all do. They all do. So these guys, I remember you. The miniature orchid type wildflowers. Look at them. Aren't they sweet? They're so tiny. So sweet. Okay. This being is huge and very, very old. And very knobbly. Oh, so big. This trunk. Wow. Hold up, boy. Gnarly tree. In the most beautiful possible way. So... Hold up, boy. So wide. Whoa. Try and give you some scale. How can I? I don't have my tripod. Yeah, it's big. Very large. A real lean going on too. Very interesting character you are, tree. I shall call you... What shall we call you? Lino. Linoleo. Linoleo. Sounds like a cereal. Does it? I'm really not sure. Leonardo. Oh, it was trying to tell me, it was saying Leonardo. Not Lino, Leonardo, he says. Okay, okay. Capiche, capiche. Bellissima. I like your name tree. Very, very nice. Very fitting. Ah, oh, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I see. Right, of course. Leonardo. Gotcha. Nice. Oh, look at this. Let me show you. Oh, see that mark? That is from a leech. A leech did that 2 days ago. That's all happening out here. Look at this. Focus, focus. They're tiny. I love how there's so much in the tiny. There's so much miniature going on all around us. All the time. All we have to do is stop, slow down, get out in nature, and be aware, observe the things you'll find and discover around you and about yourself, inside you. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. This is a beautiful wattle. It's very delicate like lace. And it has a definite sting. You're a bit tuckered. It's a bit like that. Time for water to kiss. Good boy. Good boy. My legs have done well. I've only got one scratch from sticks and from hiking and exploring basically. Oh yeah, water time. So I've done well without my chaps. So we're at the spot where the goanna is. I'm going to see if he's around. Let's have a look. Well, well. No, he's gone. I thought he would be. Wow. Look at this. Oh. There's bees pollinating. Like crazy. Crazy good. Beautiful. What a stunning flower. Ah, I see. It's out of here. One of these. Beautiful. Oh, I just love everything about this land. Special. there's many flying about around me here. So there's a lot more of these around. That little black one, that's also a bee. There's many of those.